What's up guys, welcome back. In today's video we are diving into the top most valuable 5 Canadian coin of 2003 in good condition. The 2003 Canadian 5-cent coin holds a significant place in the history of Canadian coinage, primarily due to changes in its composition and the introduction of a new effigy of Queen Elizabeth II. History and design. Obverse head side in 2003. The Royal Canadian Mint introduced a new, more mature effigy of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse of the 5-cent coin. This portrait was designed by Susanna Blunt and Susan Taylor, depicting the Queen at 77 years of age, bareheaded, wearing a necklace and earrings. This design replaced the earlier effigy used from 1990–2001, and briefly in 2002 for an anniversary issue, which showed the Queen wearing a diamond diadem. Reverse, tails side. The reverse design of the Canadian 5-cent coin continued to feature the iconic beaver sitting on a log, a design created by G. E. Kruger Gray and first used in 1937. This design has been a consistent feature of the Canadian nickel for many decades. Composition change, a key historical aspect of the 2003 nickel is the continuation of a change in its metallic composition. Starting in 1999, the Royal Canadian Mint began experimenting with multiply-plated steel instead of nickel alloys. This process involves a steel core with layers of electroplated nickel, then copper, and finally nickel. To signify this change, coins made with this multiply-plated steel have a P composition mark on the obverse side, typically under the Queen's bust. WP variety. In 2003, there was also a WP variety of the 5-cent coin. These coins were minted at the Winnipeg Mint and included both the W mint mark and the P composition mark, and were primarily inserted into uncirculated coin sets. Circulation condition. Commonality. The 2003 P marked 5-cent coin was a standard circulation coin, with a mintage of 101,793,000. For the regular P variety, this makes it quite common in circulation. Wear and tear. As a circulating coin, 2003 Canadian 5-cent pieces found in general circulation will exhibit varying degrees of wear, ranging from slightly worn to heavily abraded. The level of detail on the Queen's effigy and the beaver design will depend on how long the coin has been in circulation and the conditions it has encountered. Magnetic properties. Due to their steel core, 2003 P marked 5-cent coins are magnetic. This is a quick way to distinguish them from older, non-magnetic nickel coins. Collecting value. While generally not highly valuable in circulated condition, due to their high mintage, uncirculated examples, especially those with good luster and minimal marks, would be more desirable to collectors. The WP variety, being issued for sets, tends to be found in higher grades and carries a higher premium.